Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about different agent behavior in behavior modeling. Now in this video we will learn about level of detailed segmentation in model management in the behavior modeling. So let's start. As we know, development of virtual reality models classification based on different key procedures, and virtual reality models are used to create the virtual scenes or images based on different virtual reality programs. The development process is developed into three major steps, which include modeling, texture painting, and virtual reality programming. As we know, whenever object interacted, it was assumed that one was controlled by the user. It is also possible to model object behavior that is independent of the user actions. In behavior model, it is necessary to maintain interactivity and constant frame rates when rendering complex models. There are different techniques. First is level of detail segmentation, second cell segmentation, then offline computation, lightning, and portals. In this video, we will discuss on LOD. LOD relate with the number of polygons on the object surfaces. If the object has high complexity, its detail may not be visible if the object is very far from the virtual camera or where observer is situated. Now, in static level of detail management, we should use a simplified version of the object when it is far from the camera. For this, there are different approaches like discrete geometry LOD, alpha LOD, and geomorph LOD. In the first discrete geometric LOD, use different discrete models of the same virtual object. These models are switched based on their distance from the camera. Here we can see these are LOD level of distance 0, 1, 2, and this is the distance R0, R1 and R2. As the distance increase, the LOD or details of levels will be changed or modified. In the alpha blending LOD, the discrete LOD have problems when R0, R1 and R2 these are equal to R. This lead to popping and object appear and disappear suddenly. The solution of this problem is distance hysteresis. Another solution is model blending. The two models are rendered near the circles. Another solution to popping is alpha blending by changing the transparency of the object, and full transparent objects are not rendered. In the diagram we can see. The third is geometric morphing LOD or geomorph LOD. Unlike geometric LOD, which use several models of the same object, in this morphing LOD, it uses only one complex model. Various level of details are obtained from the base model through mesh simplification. So this is all over the video. Thank you.